that. But for now, I'm just going to briefly go over what an NFT is. So I'm sure you've heard by now an NFT stands for a non-fungible token. What is a non-fungible token? A non-fungible token meaning you can exchange it for another thing of equal value. A $10 bill can be exchanged for two $5 bills. One bar of gold can be swapped for another bar of gold of the same size. Those things are fungible. An NFT, though, is one of a kind. The token refers to a unit of currency on the blockchain. It's how cryptocurrency like Bitcoin is bought and sold. If you're not familiar with the blockchain yet, I will be doing videos in the future on what exactly blockchain is, go more into depth about that as well. But like I said, I'm trying to keep this short and brief, stick to NFTs. I'll just keep reading this. Remember those days where people would line up for the newest Nike Air Jordans at the physical store? This is the digital equivalent, said Katie Hahn, a general partner of the venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz. So pretty much they're comparing it to, when people used to go to, back when we were allowed, before we were on lockdown, you go and you wait in line for the newest pair of sneakers, or I like to compare it to wearing, say, like a pair of Ray-Bans, sunglasses. Pretty much an NFT in my comparison would be the same as somebody buying a $200 pair of sunglasses compared to somebody buying a $2 pair of sunglasses, and you wouldn't be able to tell the difference just by walking by these people on which person has which pair. Because, they make really good fakes, and you can, there's different ways to tell if you look at it really closely, but just by the glance, you couldn't tell who has which pair of Ray-Bans on. Anyway, I'm getting a little ahead of myself, but still, what exactly do you get when you buy an NFT? The question unleashes a fury of debate among NFT enthusiasts. The answer is not simple. Are you buying what amounts to an internet trophy, clout, a feeling, a digital collector's item? Perhaps, but you are also purchasing a kind of barcode, also a certificate of authenticity that serves as proof that a certain version of something is uniquely yours. Again, back to the Ray-Ban comparison. When you buy a real pair of Ray-Bans, you get a certificate proving that they're real Ray-Bans. Same goes with, like, say, girls' purses, Gucci purses, Louis Vuitton, stuff like that. Okay. The underlying thing that you're buying is code that manifests as images, said Donna Riddell, who teaches courses on crypto digital assets on Fordham Law School. You're buying a different format of art. But note that when you buy an NFT, you're usually not getting the copyright or trademark to the item. And just because you own an NFT doesn't mean that there aren't endless other versions of that thing on the internet. There will be. It's the internet. Still, NFT enthusiasts say by owning a piece of code in a blockchain has shown itself to be an incredibly valuable thing. You're not buying the picture, said Jake Brookman, founder of cryptocurrency investment company CoinFund. You're buying the property rights to the picture. And, of course, the same question that I had and that most of you probably have is, why don't people just right-click the image instead and save it on their desktop? That's free. True. But, like other collectibles, whether it's baseball cards, rare books, or fine art, having an original is special. Back to the Ray-Ban comparison. Somebody that has the real Ray-Bans, I guess they would feel more special than somebody that has the fake ones, but only they know that. Back to this. Take CryptoPunk's pixelated avatars that have fetched millions of dollars. Sure, you could download one of the alien avatars, but collectors would not consider it authentic. A real CryptoPunk costs on average $900,000. To be clear, there's no visual difference between an original and a copied version. And to make it even more confusing, not all NFTs are originals. Many are the digital equivalent of a reprint, but in this case, the reprint has what is essentially a unique barcode or token on the blockchain, which is a type of decentralized record-keeping system. In other words, instead of one institution, like a bank, having a ledger of transactions, a blockchain uses a vast network of computers that all hold each other accountable on a shared public record. That makes it hard to remove an NFT from the web entirely. It also means there's a way to trace an NFT origin and transaction history. How do you buy or sell an NFT? This I'm going to go more into in another video. If you could, please like and subscribe to this video if you'd like me to keep bringing out Cryptocation, EduCryptocation. That's my new channel. I will be trying to make as many videos that you guys request in the comments, what you'd like to know about as far as the crypto space or anything else. But mainly my main focus is cryptocurrency, blockchain, stuff like that. I'll just read the last bit of this. How do you buy or sell an NFT? It takes some steps. First, you usually have to buy a cryptocurrency like Ethereum. That's a process in and of itself. But once you do, you can go to an NFT marketplace. Some of the popular ones include Known Origin, Rarible, and OpenSea. I'll go over more of those in a future video, where you can buy them, what you can do with them, you can trade them, where you can buy the packs, where you can possibly get rare cards that are worth more. I'm going to go over all that in a future video. There you can bid on an NFT and wait for the auction to end. If no one outbids you, you get the bragging rights. Almost like eBay, an eBay auction. But some of the cards are really rare, some not so rare, almost like Pokemon back in the day. So again, this is just a short, brief synopsis on what an NFT is. If you like my content, please like and share this video, subscribe. This is a new channel that I'm making, so if you like my content, again, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and ask me down in the comments for future videos on what you would like me to tell. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye-bye.